live. How y'all doing? I haven't done a live in ages. The last time I did a live, we got a strike because the football was playing in the back. But that's how it goes. This is how it goes. This is Monday and chilling. And look, it's so sunny outside. It's like 23 degrees all week. But let's see, because you know what? I'm not afraid. So the sun is going. Look, my locks is getting all messy now. But it is what it is. I hope you guys having a lovely Monday. It's another week, another blessing. Because guess what? Some people didn't get to see this week, but guess what? We are. But you know, guys, I want you to just watch my vlogs and just click the live button. Did I say live? Not live, like. The like button and show this girl some love. Because guess what? Loving is what? Free. Yeah, but I'm just passing in and checking in. Not staying for long. Yeah. Look at my brows. I'm gonna do them today. For sure. I'm getting so lazy.
Well, at least we have each other.
But guess what? Peace out, and I'll see you when I see you.
Now, for a moment there, I didn't think I was going to get you over the line.
Well, maybe. I only just saw the potential in this place.
So, Bryn, what do you do for